Hello friends, welcome to edutech learn and grow. In this video we are going to see corrosion of metal. So what is corrosion, and have you seen the following things? So old iron bars of building, copper vessels are not cleaned for long time, silver ornaments or ideals exposed to air for long time, old abandoned vehicles fit to be thrown away. So now we are going to see rusting of an iron articles causing large financial losses. So thus corrosion of iron, that is rusting, is a big problem. So in this video we are going to see corrosion on iron, then copper, then silver, and then aluminium. Disgusting. So rusting of iron. Iron reacts with moist air and deposit of reddish substance Fe2O3.H2O is formed on it. This substance is called rust. So rust is what? Fe2O3.H2O. Iron reacts with moist air and a deposit of reddish substance Fe2O3.H2O is formed on it is rust. So rust formula is Fe2O3.H2O. It is reddish in color. Now second way is rust on copper. So carbon dioxide in moist air reacts with the surface of copper vessels. Copper loses its luster due to formation of greenish layer called copper carbonate CuCO3. On it, this is called patination of copper. Now corrosion on silver. So on exposure to air, silver articles turn blackish after some time. This is because of the layer of silver sulfide Ag2S formed by the reaction of silver with the hydrogen sulfide in air. Now fourth one, by oxidation of aluminium, a thin layer of aluminum oxide forms on it. So this was rusting of aluminium. Thank you.